Good morning, my dear learners. How are you? I think all of you are fine. I am also fine. You know that the COVID situation of our country is going to be deteriorated. So, you should take or follow precautionary measures so that you can keep yourself and your family members safe and sound. And for this reason, you have to follow all the rules and regulations given by the Ministry of Health. Okay, at the beginning of my class, I also want to talk to you about drug addiction. You know that drug addiction is a very dangerous thing. If any person is found in addicted in any drug, then he or she is bound to destroy. Drug addiction is a social curse. It is a national problem. It is also a global problem. So we have to campaign against drug addiction, and for this reason you will have to say no to drug. We have to promise that we will say no to drugs. Okay, today I want to take a class on Unit 7, Lesson 4 from Plepos Flactus Plim, my brother, the traffic policeman. Page 93, Lesson 4, Unit 7. Please open your textbook and try to follow me. Then it will be very helpful for you to have a clear idea over the text that I am going to read out. Imagine yourself as a traffic policeman. You have just finished your shift directing traffic near a school from morning till noon. Talk to a small group for 5 minutes about your experience. Here at the very beginning of the text, it has been told that try to imagine yourself as a traffic policeman and you have performed your duty from morning till noon. And what type of feelings do you have in your mind? Try to share it with anybody, with any person for 5 minutes, not more than that. What type of experience you feel just as a traffic policeman? Try to make a conversation with a partner for 5 minutes. Okay, I think most of you have an idea what type of duties or functions a traffic police has to perform. Now read the short passages about the field and answer the questions that follow from Plepos Flactus Plim, my brother, the traffic policeman. What has been told here? This is the part of a film. This is the part of a film, and just the main character of that film is a traffic policeman. And what does he do? How does he perform his duty? Has been clearly told here. This is a part of the life story of a traffic policeman who is the protagonist of a film, who is the hero of a film, and his experience as a traffic policeman and his duties as a policeman have been clearly or vividly narrated here or described here. Now, before going to read out the text, I want to tell you that this text is very important for filling the gaps, with clues or without clues. So try to understand the text very carefully, very attentively, very mindfully. Okay. The persona of a traffic policeman has always been a curious one. At the very beginning sentence of this passage or of the text has been told that the persona, that means the personality, the characteristics of a traffic policeman has always been a curious one. That means very interesting one, very interesting one. It is often found important in speech and close statement in literature and other arts. It has often found important in speech. That means the character, the personality of a traffic policeman has always often found important space and close statement. Two terms are here, important space and close statement. Where? In literature and art. That means in every literature and art we find some writings about an interesting character, about the interesting character or the curious character, that means about a traffic policeman. Understand? Okay. So two terms are here, important speech and another term is close statement. Where? In literature and art. Understand? Okay. Besides the many poems about this fascinating character, curious one, now it has been told that this character is a fascinating character, that the character of a traffic policeman is a fascinating character. So besides the many poems about this fascinating character, there is at least one movie where the central character is a traffic policeman. We find a lot of poems about traffic policemen, but in spite of that, at least there is a single movie or a movie about whom? About this interesting or fascinating character, that means about the traffic policeman. In 1963, mention the name of the day, mention the date or the year. In 1963, Greek filmmaker, who? Greek filmmaker named Philippos Plaktos. Now I can ask you a question, who is Philippos Plaktos? Then you can give me the answer that he was a Greek filmmaker. Greek filmmaker. What did he do? He made a film about a traffic policeman. The name of this film is My Brother, the Traffic Policeman. Understand? And I can ask you also another question. Who is the filmmaker of the film named My Brother, the Traffic Policeman? Okay, you are right. You can give me the answer, or you will give me the answer that the Greek filmmaker Philippos Plaktos. It features a slightly maniac traffic policeman, Antonis Pictocholos, who is utterly devoted to service and duty and applies the traffic code with unyielding severity. And already we have got the name of the protagonist or the central character of the film, the traffic police, My Brother, the Traffic Policeman. And who is he? and Antonis Picrochoulos, and who is utterly devoted to service and duty. He is devoted to his service and duty, and for this reason he applies. What does he apply? He applies the traffic code. How? With unyielding severity. That means very strictly. As a traffic man, he is very devoted to his duty and service, and that's why he uses or applies traffic code or traffic rules and regulations with unyielding severity. That means very strictly. Tickets rain down upon lawbreakers, in particular taxi drivers and especially Lampucci, who happens to be in love with Picrochoulos' sisters, Popo. He never shows any sympathy towards anybody, because the central character of this film is very devoted to his service, and that's why he finds anybody. He can find anybody if he or she breaks traffic rules. He never thinks of the identity of the lawbreaker or the breaker of traffic rules. So, here this line is very important. Tickets rain down upon lawbreakers, in particular taxi drivers, and especially Lampucci, who happens to be in love with Picrochoulos' sisters, Popo. Though Lampucci is the lover of Popo, and Popo is the sister of the central character of this film, he doesn't hesitate to find Lampucci whenever he breaks the traffic rules. Here, the central character of this film, my brother the traffic policeman, Antonis Picrochoulos, is very much responsible, is very much dutiful, is very much honest, is very much sincere. And in his turn, the traffic policeman is in love with the businessman's daughter, Kiki, who is afraid to reveal her feelings to her father. The central character of this film, Antonis Picrochoulos, is in love with a girl named Kiki, whose father is a businessman, and this girl cannot express her love to the family members. Besides, Antonis has given lots of traffic tickets to a bus belonging to her father's company. Though Antonis Picrochoulos loves Kiki, but he also finds the vehicles of her father's company. Whenever the drivers or the vehicles of her father's company, that means Kiki's father's company, violated traffic rules, Antonis Picrochoulos did not hesitate to find those vehicles. And that's why the relationship between Kiki and Antonius Picatus was not even smooth. Rather, it was somewhat very difficult. For all these reasons, or already what has been mentioned here, for all these reasons, the road to marriage for both couples is long and strewn with obstacles, but the outcome is happy one for everyone involved. Though they had to undergo some difficulties in order to materialize the love affair, or in order to make the love affair to come to, but ultimately they became successful. They became successful in their love affair. Okay, so already we have read out the text. Now we shall try to fill in the gaps through these passages, and I am going to write that. Okay, try to follow me. The persona of a traffic policeman has dash been a dash one. It has often dash important dash and close treatment in literature and dash. Besides the many dash about this fascinating dash, there is at dash one movie where the dash character is a traffic dash. Please try to follow me. There are 10 gaps. and you have to use a suitable word for each of the gaps. Okay, already I have read out the text and you have followed me, so I think it will be very easy for you to make the right selection of word for each of the gap. The person of a traffic policeman has dash been, has always been, has always been a dash one, a curious one, C-U-R-I-O-U-S, curious one. It has often found, it has often found important space and close treatment in literature and art. Good. Besides the many poems of this fascinating character, there is at least one movie where the dash character, where the central character is a traffic policeman. Understand? Okay, my dear learners, today I like to stop here, and in my next class I shall take another class on the next unit. Already I have completed this unit, and in my next class I shall take a class on Unit 8 Human Rights Lesson 1. Okay, thank you all.